The video opens with a brief introduction to the concept of doorbell cameras capturing eerie events, setting the tone for the chilling stories to come. The first clip shows a suburban neighborhood at night. A shadowy figure approaches a house, and the camera captures its unsettling movements. The homeowner receives a notification and watches in horror as the figure starts knocking frantically. The expression is obscured, but the intensity is palpable. The homeowner hesitates, but eventually answers the door. The figure claims to be lost and asks for help, but their demeanor feels off. Just as the homeowner is about to offer assistance, the figure's smile fades, revealing something sinister. The door closes abruptly, leaving the viewer anxious. The homeowner reports the incident to the police, who informed them about recent reports of a similar figure terrorizing the neighborhood. The second clip features a family celebrating a birthday at home. They are unaware of a lurking figure watching them from the shadows outside. As the family enjoys their party, the camera captures the figure moving closer, occasionally glancing at the door, creating a sense of impending doom. Suddenly, the doorbell rings, startling everyone. The children scream in delight, but the parents exchange worried glances as they wonder who it could be. The parents approach the door cautiously, peeking through the peephole. They see the figure standing silently, their face partially obscured by darkness. Realizing the danger, the parents lock the door and call for help, keeping the children away from the windows. The camera captures the figure's frustration. Outside, the police arrive quickly, but by the time they investigate, the figure has vanished without a trace, leaving the family shaken and fearful. The final clip features a woman returning home late at night. As she approaches her front door, she feels an overwhelming sense of being watched. Once inside, she checks her doorbell camera footage and sees a figure following her closely, just out of frame, sending chills down her spine. Suddenly, she hears a knock at the door. Her heart races as she remembers the footage. She must decide whether to confront the unknown or hide. With her heart pounding, she opens the door to find no one there, but the camera captures a shadow moving away into the darkness. The video ends with an ominous reminder.